So we're off to the orchard to check on the trees. This tree's looking good. These two trees were a little crooked. We straightened them up. They went in late last year. That one looks good, Laura?
Yeah.
That one's good. That one's good.
This one's full of
cherry.
I think, yeah.
Yeah, wow. That's your favorite tree, right, Laura?
Oh, yeah.
Laura's fixing a wrap. Might just fall off again.
Well, there's enough grass for the rabbits, so this should be safe.
Yeah.
This is more to keep it safe.
Okay. That's looking good. This is another cherry here.
Look how white it is.
Yeah, that latex paint went up pretty high.
Acrylic. I looked it up.
Oh, is it acrylic? Okay. Looks good. I think that's a flower bud. It's not pointy like the leaf bud.
Okay.
It could be, I don't know. Looks good though. You usually take the wraps off when you do the dormant spray?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. This one's well protected. We got the snow fencing on it.
I think I was really eager to get this one here. Is it a cherry?
I think so. It looks like the cherry bark here.
It's,
Now look at these buds. They look really different. I think, yeah, there's spurs like here that look like flower buds.
Let's see. That one was hard to pull.
Yeah.
I know. Well, this is it Stella cherry?
There's a tag. Sweet cherry Stella, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Wow, it's really dense.
Well, we just basically treated it with a bush.
Yeah. I don't think this was pruned at all.
I think we forgot this one.
Yeah. Or just left it because it wasn't that high. Yeah, I don't know.
I think those are blossoming. We'll see, but
Yeah.
blossom yet.
Well, we'll see.
Okay, now these ones are always the hardest.
This fence row. Alright, this is an apple, isn't it? Is that the one that kind of got knocked over the one year?
They will die.
Oh, okay. Well protected.
Okay.
Uh,
You see something?
There's a wet spot here where some sap's leaking. But it's not bad. No, it looks good. Yeah, it's getting big, that tree. This one, ugh, a little nibbled, but protected by the chicken wire. That's a Liberty Liberty red apple.
Yeah, it's one
Oh,
of
yeah.
my favorites.
Yeah,
They got
rabbits pruned it.
Yeah.
Anything sticking out of the chicken wire got pruned off.
They like
Holy.
that one.
Yeah, they like the apple trees. All right, well, that's not bad. Oh, really? Up high there?
I'm gonna have to put a whole cover on that one.
Yeah.
Got a dogwood here.
Dogwood, yeah, that's not supposed to be there. And this is, there's a tag on it.
It might be Nathan's hair. I don't know.
Quince.
Oh, the quince, of course. Yeah.
Quince of Portugal. Well, it looks good. Not really keen on the quince, are we? Yeah, nothing eats them much. It's because they don't taste very good.
I don't see any fruit spurs. Maybe because it waits longer.
Yeah, it might fruit on the new growth, maybe, I don't know.
There is new growth.
This is a apple tree, maybe? There's no tag on it, I don't think. Well, whatever it is, it's doing okay.
It is near the cherry section.
It's got very pointy buds.
It might be a cherry.
Yeah, or it could be a pear, maybe. I don't know.
This is our cherry section in the shade.
This one has a tag. If I can reach it. It is Nova Easy Grow Red Apple.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, I'm surprised the rabbits didn't get it. They got these lower branches last year. We've been raising the lower branches up a little higher now because we get so much snow that if you put the lowest branches at waist height, the rabbits still get them. So we're growing our trees a little taller at the bottom. What's going on down here, Laura? Oh, that was a branch down here and it's just a leaf sticking out. Yeah. Okay, what's next? This one? It's got a post leaning against it. This one's really pruned, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. I used to know them all. I kind of forget now. We'll know when they leaf out. This one.
Might be another quince. I can't remember. A pear.
Yeah. It's well pruned. If I do say so myself. And this one's got all kinds of buds. That's got to be a cherry, right?
Oh, this must be the cherry section. The shade tree. Okay, this is the cherry section.
Right.
Okay.
It's missing some armor there. Right here, that one section's come off. It's loaded with buds though, eh?
Keep our eye on this one.
Armored again. What do you think that one is?
Well, they're supposed to be cherries.
Yeah, it looks like the same kind of buds. And a few more down here. Cedars are looking good. Looking really good. They're growing actually. It's amazing to see. I think this is a quince, isn't it?
Could be.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Got
it's
crazy with the
yeah. These two sides. And this is a high bush cranberry. We haven't pruned it at all. We were thinking, well, I see the rabbits have pruned it down here. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's unusual. They usually don't touch these. There's a few chew marks in some of the lower branches, but generally they don't like them.
The birds haven't eaten.
There's a few berries left on it here. I tried one last year and it was like one of the most dreadful things I've ever tasted. Should we check out the larch down here?
Okay, I just gotta go check it out.
Okay, I'll be right there. And this is, I don't know what that is. Cherry maybe? It's got chewed, it's wrapped. So here's the larch I put in last year. I think there's 4 of them. I sure hope they made it. These are the ones I cut down. They were big tall trees. And they were growing from Jonathan's stock. It looks like the buds are good. They're all kind of glossy and swelling. That's awesome. Okay, let's go back out to the spiral orchard now. Really? Laura has found a tree with disease on it. So let's see what that looks like. That's that black knot disease. Yeah, that's not very good, is it?
Take those branches back.
We tried to pick species of plum that were what else we got here? Yeah, that looks like mulberry to me. And that has got to be cherry? I think we do. This is that cherry plum. No, that's a thorns. It's covered in thorns. They're like at the end of the branches. Okay, down the outer side. That one never looked good last year, but it's...
Yeah, badly, but it's still, like, these are still alive. I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah, I think so.
This one here looks nice.
Yeah, I think these are. The buds are swelling on them.
So this one's dead, right?
I think so. I think I left that because it was tied to the stake. It was holding it upright. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you're really going into the middle now. Yeah. This is definitely an apple, right? That one lost some lower branches, but...
I think we have some carrots.
This is the peach tree in the middle.
Yes.
How's it looking? This branch is alive.
Is it? We got one. Why does this one look so dead?
Probably is. These ones are alive. This one's alive. It has a rough life, or a tough time, this tree. But so far, it's doing okay. What's this one, Laura? This one's pretty misshapen. Oh my goodness. There's leaves on it. Quince, I would think.
Oh, really?
Maybe? Maybe it's not. I think it is quince. Yeah, look how they chewed through the chicken wire here. Or maybe... That one was dead last year except for those sprouts growing up. And they've re-chewed it, so that might be its final death sentence. That's too bad. Unless it'll sprout from below where it's protected by the collar on this branch. So there's hope for it, Laura. There is hope for it. I don't know if I'd take it off yet, but...
Well, I was going to let the sun get to it.
Oh, okay. All right. These trees look good. We already checked those, didn't we?
Yeah.
Well, is that about it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I wouldn't say yet. There is a chute on the inside there.
Down here, couldn't it?
Yeah, and there's a chute on the inside. It's possible. Oh, it sure is a nice day out here. Yeah, so this is a better result than we got last year. Last year was just terrible. I thought we were going to lose like 70% of the trees last year. But we didn't. We only lost a few. And this year, it's pretty good. Again, we've only lost maybe one, maybe a couple of trees, and that's it. Yeah, and all the branches are pretty intact, so I think it should be the year for fruit, Laura.
Yeah.
Yeah, this will be the year for fruit.
This will be the year.
We'll have to boxes to fill with fruit. It'll be so prolific. All right, well, I guess that's it. We'll get on our bikes